University-ini ya Nairobi kuria mutigaire Prof.Micere Gitahe Mugo ari murutwo na agicoka gutuika murutani wa mathomo ma literature ni kuwa igongona ria mwanya ria kiririkano giake ritafaneirio.
It is fitting that we should be gathered here in this historic Taifa Hall where Prof.Micere Mugo presented well-researched high-voltage papers and engaged top scholars in high-fiber debates. She was one of those rare scholars.
Itemiria yake ruhonge-ini rwa mathomo ma literature university-ini ino kuria emathire ngumo ya gutuika dean wa mbere mutumia no mamwe gatagati ka maundu maria magathiriirio igongona-ini riri.
The impact and influence of her philosophy of education and literature continues even beyond her time, and it will continue beyond our time.
Mwaria thutha wa uria ungi maganite uiguano wake na andu na ngoro yake nene kuria arutwo hamwe na aria mathomithagia nao o mundu agitariria uria ahutire uturo wake na njira ya mwanya.
And if you ever stopped her outside the main library here, she'll stop to speak to you, which was really a humbling experience because a lecturer is a busy person, cannot just stop for any student who is not even her student, but she used to socialize with us.
Hamwe na urutani na wandiki wa mafuku, Prof.Micere Gitahe Mugo ni aririkanitwo ta muteteri wa ihoto cia umundu uhoro uria watwaririirie kuma gwake guku bururi-ini na guthie ithamirio bururi-ini wa Zimbabwe thutha wa igeria ria kugarura thirikari mwaka-ini wa 1982.
If our systems were fair and people like Micere stayed home would be richer. So we have done things to deny ourselves of the richness that Micere, Ngugi, all those who were detained, were killed, were exiled, how we missed.
Mwari wake Mubi na mwari wa nyina Dr. Muringo Kiereine onao magitariria ithenya inene riria ritigitwo family-ini yao kurumirira gikuo giake.
She was very confident in everything which she did, very hardworking, courageous, brave. And this would be evident as we have seen and will hear in her later life. She was a fighter. She stood her ground when she knew that she was speaking the truth or when she was speaking for the less fortunate members of the society and stuck to her facts.
Angi aria mekinyitie igongona-ini riri ni mutongoria wa Azimio Raila Odinga akiuga itemira riria Professor Mugo na ateteri angi ihoto manyitire ni ricangiire hanene hari wiyathi wa maundu uria uri bururi-ini.
She has made a great contribution to the liberation of people. He was a fighter for women's rights. She was also a fighter for human rights in our country.
Prof.Micere Gitahe Mugo akuire tariki 30 mweri-ini wa gatandatu ari na ukuru wa miaka 81 thutha wa kurwara ndwari ya cancer ihinda iraya na mbere ya gukua gwake ari murutani wa mathomo ma literature University-ini ya Syracuse bururi-ini wa Amerika. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.